Here is the safety socket upon purchase. Here we can see a heat detector, which is very important not to obstruct. Here we have the 120-volt connection. Here is the selector to choose the type of detector, either flexible or magnetic. Finally, here is the terminal block for connecting the detectors. Let's go over how to set up both types of systems together. Warning, you should never lengthen or cut the wire. Warning, you should never lengthen or cut the wire. Make sure to position the junction box in the correct orientation. Magnetic detection systems are optimal for drawers. Flexible detection systems are optimal for cabinets.